Two months into production, yet more changes to come. Before we begin, I'd like to welcome you to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe by clicking on the bell button for future releases. Just 2 days after the recent patch, we still see many issues that are ongoing. With the current implementation on update 4, there seems to be varieties of issues that have not been fixed. Some of the issues that are consistently been occurring are VFR maps that work very rarely. There have been no wave effects when changes are performed on wind. The Boeing 747 has come across many issues which have been unattended, where the altitude maintenance is not consistent. Few airports do not appear under the flight systems the way it should. This has been voiced out from the community members. The content manager doesn't seem to load every time. Some members have found the patch to be helpful towards the performance for the simulator and have noticed a 20% increase for frames per second. However, there are many issues that are still pending towards a fix. Asobo Studios plans on having another update, which is update 5, coming next week, which can address many other priority areas. Under the feedback snapshot, it appears to have a growing list of bugs which require to be addressed. Based on the priority of the bugs, Asobo Studios would include each of these areas that could be fixed in different updates. With the release of update 3 and 4, few issues have been taken care of. The current list of issues are certainly endless. So what Asobo Studios along with Microsoft have decided to do is prioritize each of these issues and try to resolve them in a manner that every update can have a seamless pace in addressing each of the major issues. One of the top issues based on Asobo Studios are autopilot related issues for Garmin G1000 series as well as the Garmin G3000 series. The night lighting terrain areas should be addressed in the upcoming update. The much demanded A320 still have many areas to be taken care of. This is certainly going to be addressed in the upcoming patch, which is update 5. Along with that, pitch oscillation issues as well as cosmetic areas of the application such as grainy textures, trees, water, and many other areas would be addressed in the upcoming patch. The bug related to press any key should be addressed in update 5, along with metric units, cockpit toolkits, and other priority bugs which have been documented in the priority list. Currently, there's a big list of areas that require revision under the code, which Asobo plans to address in the upcoming releases. Under the SDK updates, there have been slight improvements which have been recommended by the developer community. Based on recent progress under the development standpoint, the team under DevMode have been working on enhancements towards overall stability, focusing on project editor tools, senior editor tools, as well as aircraft editor tools. This could basically give us all an idea to realize the importance of how well the native content under the structures of the code can be developed currently as well as in the future. There would be more validation steps in the process so as to organize and document every part of the code before the package is being built for later releases. Console as well as logging systems are into work under global reworking areas, where it addresses areas sooner rather than postcode process to avoid any discrepancies. Asobo has a dedicated team towards node-based visual effects system. So far, the community has tremendously helped identify areas to look into, focus on common issues, and validate every aspect of the code before implementation of the final patch. For the current week, there's no update based on the VR closed beta. However, we should expect to see another round of applications open up. We hope to see Asobo fix many pending issues as they are quite active in different communities, which include AVSim, Reddit, Discord, and many other forums, which certainly can hope to provide a better cadence and better transparency in what they do. Under the third-party areas, Asobo Studios have received 60 more applications which have gone through the approval process under Marketplace Partnership Program. Right now, the marketplace looks quite exciting with many new add-ons. The much-awaited Long Easy, under India Fox Techo have been approved and released, which is certainly an exciting add-on for one to give it a try. You should stay tuned for this update on the long easy review by subscribing to this channel. Well, that's pretty much the update for today. We're going to expect to see many more items that would come across Microsoft Flight Simulator. More updates would certainly mean more fixes and a growing product like Microsoft Flight Simulator. I certainly hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, do leave a like because it can make a difference to me. Have a good rest of the day and stay tuned.